Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most lucrative ways to make money online, affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner looking to get into the world of affiliate marketing, this video is for you. In this video, we'll discuss what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and provide you with some tips to get started. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where an affiliate earns a commission for promoting another company's product or service. Affiliates typically receive a unique link to promote the product or service, and when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. How does it work? First, you need to find a product or service that you want to promote. There are many affiliate networks and programs out there, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Once you've found a product or service to promote, you'll need to sign up for the affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Next, you'll need to promote the product or service using your affiliate link. There are many ways to promote a product or service, such as creating content around it on your blog, promoting it on social media, or creating video content like this one. Finally, when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The amount of commission you earn will vary depending on the product or service you're promoting and the affiliate program you're a part of. Tips for getting started with affiliate marketing. Find a niche. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Choose the right product or service to promote. Make sure it's something that's relevant to your niche and something that you believe in. Build an audience. Whether it's through a blog, social media, or YouTube, you need to have an audience to promote to. Create great content. The better your content, the more likely people are to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. Be transparent. Always disclose that you're an affiliate and that you'll earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your link. Conclusion. That's it for this video on how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to start your affiliate marketing journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.